Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain how to make a strong motivation letter for a scholarship application. Before beginning the video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you do not miss any videos from me. Start your motivation letter with a strong opening. Begin with a strong and engaging sentence that captures the reader's attention and introduces yourself and your purpose for writing. Explain your motivation. Clearly and succinctly explain your motivation for applying for the scholarship and why it is important to you. Highlight your personal and professional goals and how the scholarship can help you achieve them. Highlight your achievements. Showcase your achievements, such as academic performance, extracurricular activities, and relevant work experience. Emphasize how your achievements demonstrate your commitment and potential to excel in your field of study. Connect your goals to the scholarship. Show how the scholarship aligns with your goals and how it can help you achieve them. Research the scholarship program and its objectives, and highlight how your interests and goals match the program's objectives. Explain your plan of study. Clearly explain your plan of study, including the courses you plan to take and how they align with your academic and professional goals. Demonstrate how the program can help you gain the knowledge and skills you need to succeed in your field. Be specific and concise. Use specific and concise language to convey your ideas and avoid vague or general statements. Use concrete examples to illustrate your achievements and skills. Show your enthusiasm. Show your enthusiasm for the program and the scholarship opportunity. Demonstrate your willingness to learn, work hard, and contribute to the program and its community. Proofread and edit. Thoroughly proofread and edit your letter to ensure that it is free from errors and that it effectively conveys your ideas and goals. By following these tips, you can create a strong and compelling motivation letter that showcases your achievements, goals, and suitability for the scholarship. Thanks for watching and good luck with your application.